how to add frames in Figma. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are frames in Figma? Frames are essentially containers that can hold other elements like shapes, text, and images. They can also represent screens in your design project, making them crucial for structuring your layout. Alright, let's get started with adding a frame. The easiest way to do this is by using the frame tool. On the top bar, or in my case at the very bottom, you can see a frame icon. This is the frame icon, or I'm gonna tell you a shortcut key, which is F. You can simply press the F key on your keyboard and it will, direct you to adding the frame. But let's try it with this one as well. So once you've selected the frame tool like this, you will notice that your cursor changes. Now click and drag the canvas to create your desired size. Or you can also create frame by clicking on the preset sizes in the right side. Like you can change the width and even height, or even if you go over here, you can change whether you wanted frame for iPhone 16 or for some iPad, MacBook Air, you name it. You have every kind of frames over here. See, that's how many frames we have. Also, if we go back again, here's the option at the right bar. You can change your width, let's say I want to make it more like 400, and height would be more okay, let's make it 800. Sorry. Okay, so can you see the changes over here? Yeah. One option is you can simply type in your desired size, or you can simply drag and pull just like this. So as you can see, this is how you can actually add frames, and you've learned how to add and customize frames. You can also now select any text or even import images and put it over here. You can easily move, resize, and tweak them just like any other object. And that's it. You've learned how to add and customize frames in Figma. Remember, frames are a fundamental part of creating structured layout. So play around with them and see how they can work for your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on Figma. Also, drop any questions if you have any, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing. See you in the next video.